Namaste and welcome to Namita's Delightful Dishes. Today we will be making a simple and tasty dish, raw mango rice, also called as Mavinakayi Chitranna. It's one of my favorite dishes, known for its tangy and slightly spicy taste. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys a bit of zest in their food. Let's start cooking this easy and flavorful dish. First we will begin by peeling the raw mango. I have taken one large-sized mango for this recipe. If you only have small mangoes, feel free to use 2 of them instead. After peeling, we will cut into large chunks, which makes it easier to grate. Then carefully grate the raw mangoes and set it aside for later use. Now let's cook the rice. I have taken 1 cup of basmati rice for this recipe, but feel free to use any type of rice you have on hand. Start by rinsing it thoroughly until the water runs clear. Transfer the rice to a pressure cooker and add 2 cups of water, maintaining a 1:2 ratio of rice to water for perfectly cooked grains. Close the pressure cooker and cook the rice until it's done. Let's look at the ingredients. A bowl of freshly grated mango, 1 large chopped onion, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, 10 to 12 green chilies. For the tempering, mustard seeds, urad dal, channa dal and peanut for the crunchy texture. A pinch of turmeric, some vegetable oil for cooking, salt to taste. Let's fry the peanuts. Heat 2 teaspoons of oil in a small pan. Add 3 tablespoons of peanuts and stir constantly until they are golden brown. Alternatively, you can skip this step and add the peanuts directly during the tempering stage. Let's prepare our raw mango mix. Start by heating 3/4 cup of vegetable oil in a large pan. Once hot, add 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of urad dal and 2 teaspoons of channa dal. Wait for them to sizzle. Then add a strands of curry leaves and half a teaspoon of asafoetida. Give it a quick saute. Next, put 1 large chopped onions into the pan. Saute until the onions become translucent, which brings out their sweetness. Add 10 to 12 slit green chilies. Adjust this based on how spicy you like it and saute for a minute. Then stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 2 minutes. Add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Season with salt to taste. Continue to stir the mixture. Finally, add the grated raw mango. Fold it into the mix. Cooking for 5 to 8 minutes until you notice the oil starting to separate. This mixture requires a bit more oil, which helps in both texture and preservation. Once it's done, you can store this mix in the refrigerator for up to 10 days and use it as needed. Now let's finish our raw mango rice. Take the cooked rice and mix in 4 large spoonfuls of the raw mango mix, also called as mango goju. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to adjust the taste. Gently fold everything together, ensuring the mango mix evenly coats the rice, giving it a lovely flavor and a beautiful color. For the final touch, sprinkle the roasted peanuts we prepared earlier. Their crunch adds a delightful textural contrast. Finally, garnish with fresh curry leaves for an aromatic finish. And there you have it, a vibrant and tasty raw mango rice ready to be enjoyed. This raw mango rice recipe is not only easy but also perfectly suited for our busy lives. You can prepare the mango rice ahead of time and cook the rice whenever you need. Simply mix them together and you have a delicious meal ready in no time. I encourage you to try this recipe and experience the burst of flavor it brings to your day. If you have enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe for more delightful dishes. Thank you for watching And until next time, happy cooking and take care.